Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. Today is October 8th, 2022, and I'm going to discuss gold and the dollar index. I haven't covered markets last week, so let's have a look at the recent developments. This is a daily gold chart. Last month, gold broke down a 2.5-year key horizontal support, which naturally triggered a sell-off. This horizontal support was tested numerous times and held every time, so investors were pretty much confident that this support will hold. With the breakdown of this line, many reversed their analysis, suggesting that gold is headed towards $1,400 level. However, I was pretty much confident that the ongoing breakdown will turn out to be a false one. My primary argument was that the extent of decline was contained and there was no any panic sell-off. To prove my point, let's have a look at a 2013 example. When gold broke down nearly 2-year support, it collapsed in price $230 just in 2 days, which later initiated a multi-year bear market. However, in the present scenario, we only witnessed a slow $70 decline within 2 weeks. A contained nature of decline was suggesting that it might not be a legitimate breakdown. Now, with gold above $1,680 level, we can confirm that the recent breakdown was a false one. However, gold isn't out of woods yet, and the reason for that is the ever-strengthening dollar index, which is suffocating pretty much all markets across the globe. Over the past week, Bank of England and Bank of Japan initiated bond buying programs to prevent a bond market collapse. I believe European Central Bank is likely to be the next to start bond buying, with the Federal Reserve to be the last one. Despite recent dollar strength, in my last video I suggested that the dollar was going to top around the upper band of the 14-year rising channel. In fact, dollar sold off sharply from around $114 mark, which gave a breather to precious metals. However, note that dollar topping is a process and not a single day event. It usually takes 2 to 4 weeks for the dollar to finally top and reverse. It took 4 weeks for the dollar to top back in 2015 and 2016. So expect dollar to attack 114 level multiple times over the coming weeks before it finally gives up. All in all, I believe dollar is in the topping process. Now, let's go back to gold chart. This is a 7-month descending channel. Gold formed a breakout, but so far it is not a very convincing one. Usually, first breakouts turn out to be false ones, so I would not be surprised if gold dips below the upper band with support around $1,675, $1,680 level. Alternatively, gold could keep retesting the upper band of the formation. Ultimately, I believe gold will legitimately break out and advance towards immediate $1,800 target. On a shorter dated time frame, gold might be forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern. As dollar tops, gold could continue forming a right shoulder, and it should ultimately break out first towards $1,800 and then $1,900 levels. This is it for today. Stay well and enjoy the weekend. Please note that this video is not an investment advice and prepared solely for educational purposes.